Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can add some GIFs or sticking notes into your note in Notability. So let's get straight into it. As you can see, you can import them like with this plus button here in a circle. This one right here. Click on it, and here down below you have some options what you can import. So let's go with that one. So you can import stickers, as you can see. So let's go and put this one in, for example. Then we can add some sticky notes. So I will go with that one. Maybe this one here, like so. Something like that. We can put it like so, just to demonstrate it like that. And now we can also add some GIFs. So right here we have some GIF options. As you can see, you can search for this one. So I will take that one and put it right in here, like so. And this is how you can import some GIFs and stickers into your note in Notability. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next